The recipe which I am going to do is jackfruit seed stir fry. The jackfruit seed, it has outer layer as well as the inner layer. So you have to just remove with the knife the outer layer and then soak it for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, remove the inner layer and chop it into this slice. The other ingredient for it is jackfruit sliced itself. We need a half cup of fresh grated coconut, 1 string of curry leaf, salt as needed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 to 3 green chilli chopped, 2 red chilli the whole, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 to 3 garlic clove, and oil to saute. Keep a pan and just pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it becomes hot, we'll put the mustard and red chilli powder. Now the oil is hot. I'll just add the mustard seed and allow it to splutter. Then you can add the red chilli, the whole. To this then we will add the onion, finely chopped onion, garlic, green chilli, curry leaf, and saute for like 1 to 2 minutes. The onion has been slightly translucent. To this we will add the grated fresh coconut and half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as required. Just stir it for a while. Then we will add the chopped jackfruit seed, and we'll pour like 1 cup of water and close the lid, and we will cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll add 1 cup of water and let it cook in the medium flame. So till then we will wait. Now the jackfruit seed stir fry is been done. You can serve it hot with plain white rice, chapati or kupus. Thank you for viewing.